How do we solve quadratic equations? First, you factorize the quadratic equation. The example I'm using is x to the second minus 9x plus 20 equals 0. The second thing you do is find two numbers which add up to 9 and multiply to give you 20. The two numbers come out to be 4 and 5. Now find the value of x so that when these brackets are multiplied together, the answer is 0. Now you check these answers by substituting 4 and 5 into the equation. And if it works, then the answer is done. Okay, so the problem we're doing is x to the second minus 8x plus 16 equals 0. So the first thing you do is find your a, b, and c. The a is 1, the b is negative 8, and the c is 16. The second thing you do is you square the b minus 4 times 8 times c. And you come out with this. It's negative 8 to the second minus 4 times 1 times 16. And once you figure that out, it equals 64 minus 64. 64 minus 64 equals 0. 0 equals 0, so there's one real solution.
The problem is x to the second plus 3x equals 28. You want it equal to 0, so you subtract 28 from both sides, and you get x to the second plus 3x minus 28 equals 0. Your a, b, and c values are 1, 3, and negative 28. You do your negative 3 minus 4 times 1 times negative 28. You get 9 minus 12, which is 103, and 103 is less than 0. So it's two imaginary solutions. You use the equation negative b plus or minus b to the second minus 4ac over 2a. So that would be negative 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 103 over 2a. So you want to get 103 to be positive, so you multiply it by negative 1, which gives you I, and your answer would be negative 3 minus I to the square root of 103 over 2, and negative 3 plus I to the square root of 103 over 2. The problem is x to the second minus 4x equals 8. First you have to set the problem equal to 0, so x minus 4x equals, or minus 8 equals 0. And then you find the a, b, and the c values, which is a is 1, b is negative 4, and c is 8. Then you do 4 squared minus 4a times c. So what you get is 16 plus 32, and 48 is greater than 0, so you have two real solutions.
So this is the end of our presentation of us teaching you how to do quadratic equations. We hope you learn more on how to do them.